Okay, so we're going to go ahead and review how to add and subtract them. The first thing we're going to do, same thing we always do, factor. So x, this is going to be x minus 5 and x plus 4. We need two numbers. Since my a here is just a 1, that makes this quite a bit easier. So we need two numbers that multiply together to make negative 20, but add to make negative 1. So that would be that. Negative 5, positive 4. 2 over x plus 4. So let's think about common denominators. What's the factors they have in common? What are they missing? Well, this guy on the far side over here would be missing x minus 5 over x minus 5. So I'm going to rewrite this now as x plus 2x minus 10 from distribution of our 2. And since we have a common denominator now, we can go ahead and rewrite this all with the common denominator. Okay. Simplify the numerator. 1x plus 2x is 3x plus 10, negative 10, all over x minus 5 times x plus 4. Let's look over here at this one. Factoring x minus 4. Again, our a is just a 1, so we need two numbers that multiply together to make negative 8, but add to make positive 4. So that would have to be positive 4 and negative 2. X plus 2. I'm going to put these parentheses to remind us that everything in that numerator is being subtracted. And then this becomes x plus 4, x minus 4, difference of perfect squares. Okay, I'm going to look for what they have in common and what they're missing. Well, they both have an x plus 4, but this one has an x minus 2. So this guy's going to need an x minus 2 over x minus 2. And this guy has an x minus 4. So this guy's going to need an x minus 4, x minus 4. Just finding those common denominators. So our common denominator, once we get everything together, will be x minus 4, x plus 4, x minus 2, and we can leave it just like that for this point in time. Let's multiply our numerators out. This first section here is going to become x squared minus 8x plus 16 minus, and I'm going to put parentheses so I remember that everything is going together. X times x is going to give me x squared plus 2x minus 2x minus 4. And we simplify x squared minus 8x plus 16. These guys are going to go to 0, and then we're going to distribute through that negative. So we're subtracting x squared, and we're subtracting negative 4, which is going to give us plus 4, all over x minus 4, x plus 4, x minus 2. Okay. X squared minus x squared is going to go to 0, and that's going to leave us with negative 8x plus, let's see, 20, all over x minus 4, x plus 4, x minus 2. Let's scoot that up so you can see. Now, I've noticed if I look here that there's a 4 that could come out of that numerator, so I could possibly rewrite my numerator as, let's say I take out a negative 4. That would give me 2x minus 5, but that doesn't really get me anywhere because I can't simplify out any of this term with what our big long denominator would be. So I would just leave it just like that. Okay. So if you did not do well on this assessment, what I would like you to do is extra practice on the next section on top of the circled questions. Okay. If you got all of them right, nailed it, you can reduce the questions by 2. All right, we'll talk to you later. Thanks, bye.